Hi, I'm Josh from Fix and Post, and today I'm going to show you my new script that automatically applies a warp stabilizer effect to a clip inserted into a timeline. If you're like me, you've used the warp stabilizer quite often to stabilize footage, and you know that it's a bit of a tedious process. To stabilize footage, you have to put it into a timeline, go to the Effects tab, select the warp stabilizer, and then drag and drop it onto your clip. The funny thing is, I know that my footage is going to need to be stabilized before I put it into a timeline. So I wrote a script that automatically inserts a clip into a timeline and applies the warp stabilizer. So I select my clip, set my in and out points like I normally would, and then hit Control U to run my script and insert the clip into the timeline with warp stabilizer applied.